You are wading through the Amazon. The water is murky. Something moves beneath you. Something heavy. You are not alone. You are lunch. We did whales, black holes, volcanoes. Today is different. Today you are squeezed and measured and swallowed in that order. The green anaconda, the heaviest snake on Earth, up to 9 meters, 250 kilograms of muscle that does not chase you, that waits. The anaconda strikes, fast, faster than you can think. In 1 second, it has your shoulders. It does not chew, it grabs, and then it holds on. Now it wraps around you, coil by coil, each tighter than the last. This is engineering. Every time you exhale, it tightens. You cannot inhale. An anaconda squeezes with 90 pounds per square inch. Your blood stops circulating. Your organs rearrange. The snake does not break your bones. It breaks your schedule. Here is the disturbing part. The snake monitors your heartbeat through its body. It feels you dying. It knows exactly when your heart stops. It is not guessing. Once your heart stops, the swallowing begins. The jaw dislocates, the skin stretches. The snake starts at your head and works its way down, slowly. The snake's teeth curve backward. They do not bite, they ratchet. You move in one direction, inward. There is no reverse. There is no undoing this. Inside the snake, the acid goes to work. Days of digestion. The snake does not eat again for months. Your entire existence becomes a single meal, an efficient use of protein. But wait, the anaconda is not alone. There is a second monster, the reticulated python. Of Southeast Asia, it is longer, it is in the trees, and it is above you. The python drops. From above, it wraps your shoulders before you hit the ground. The constriction is the same. The ending is the same. The angle is worse. The anaconda takes you from below, the python from above. One weighs 250 kilos, one reaches 10 meters. Both swallow you whole. What happens if a giant snake gets you? It grabs, it squeezes, it waits for your heart to stop. It swallows, it digests, patient, thorough. Can you survive? Only if it releases you before the constriction completes. Some people have. They had a knife, and luck, and very strong opinions about hiking. In 2017, a farmer in Indonesia was swallowed whole by a reticulated python. They found him inside. His boots were still on. The snake had not finished. The biggest anaconda was 8.4 meters. The longest python was 10 meters. You are 1.7 meters. The math is not in your favor. The math never is. Snakes have been doing this for 100 million years. They survived the asteroid that killed the dinosaurs. They watched us evolve. They were patient. They are still patient. Next time you are in the Amazon or anywhere with water and trees and silence, remember, something is watching, something patient, and it is measuring your heartbeat. A giant snake does not chase you. It waits. It squeezes. It swallows. And it digests. Earth has pizza. Stay on land. Subscribe.